Now there are quite a number more, but these ones I can risk my neck to mention them because I didn't just do a Google search to get them. Our academy actually make money from them all the time. So if you know how to set up these apps correctly from Nigeria or Africa, then great, go ahead and use them. You'll make money from them guaranteed, honestly. So someone reached out to me and asked, Circles Digital, please, is making money online in Nigeria with online surveys and games real, or are they all just scams? My response, yes and no. Now, if you want to make money from online surveys and make real money withdrawals into your GTB, Access Bank, OPay, or any other local bank account in the next 2 weeks, yes, next 2 weeks, then keep watching. Now, I am putting the integrity of my brand, Circles Digital, online for this claim I'm just about to make. Let's get over to it. Now, let me answer this question straight up. Are making money online surveys and games websites and apps, are they legit or they are just scams? Now, I get these questions on my DM and comment section, all the time. There is this lady who is a full housewife that reached out to me once, and she was just doing some random search online on what she can at least do from home, and she came across this particular game app that convinced her that she could play games on the app and then make some cool dollars from it. Of course, she downloaded it and spent the next 1 week hustling hard, with the games, and then she actually made about $500 on the platform in just about a week. Of course, that's my own red flag number one. But anyways, so she felt like, okay, let me make this withdrawal first, and then I can start working harder on the games, at least if I'm able to make this first withdrawal. And then she reached out to me to help her make withdrawals with our PayPal account. But unfortunately, the money never came in. Now, I have quite a number of persons that come like that begging me to help them, make withdrawals. And after spending all the time and energy, and some people even spend money on some of these apps, nothing comes out of it. The truth is that there are tons of legit online surveys and game apps and websites on the internet. But also, there are even more tons of fake ones out there. Now, some of these fake ones will literally try to scam you, while some others, though they may not scam you, but you will just be doing free services for them with your time and effort, and at the end of the day, you will make nothing from it. And especially if you live in a country like Nigeria where the economic situation is really tough at the moment and dollar price is like shooting up to the roof every day. It's very easy for people to get scammed because, come to think of it, just $100 is a lot of money in Nigeria now. So my advice is always that if you're not so sure, then don't just jump on any random game or survey app or website you see online, even though the legit ones are one of the easiest ways to really make money online these days. Now, let me quickly give you a list of some game and survey apps that I guarantee will make you money. Now, I make money on all of these apps myself, and if you want me to mentor you to make your first 15, 30, 50 US dollars within the next 2 weeks guaranteed, then you can chat my admin using the WhatsApp number in the video description below this video, because knowing this app is one thing and making money on them is another. And being able to withdraw your money into your local bank account constantly is another game entirely. But anyways, the first survey app that my academy constantly make money from, and I can guarantee that you will also make money from if you do it well, is Swagbox. And then you have the Zoombox. Now, other surveys and game apps and websites that I guarantee can also make you money online are, if so I say, Free Cash and then Inbox Pounds. Now, there are quite a number more, but these ones I can risk my neck to mention them because I didn't just do a Google search to get them. Our academy actually make money from them all the time. So if you know how to set up these apps correctly from Nigeria or Africa, then great, go ahead and use them. You will make money from them guaranteed, honestly. But now, I am actually not trying to market my mentorship, but listen to me guys. You will need my guidance to make money on these apps, and you can see that I keep giving you a 1-2 weeks guarantee that you will make your first withdrawal if you do as I'll be guiding you in the academy. So if you want to be a part of that academy and you want my guide on how to start making money from this app very quickly, then you can chat my admin using the WhatsApp number in the video description. But I want you to know that these apps will require you to spend some time working on them. So if you know that you're already a busy person and you won't have time, then don't bother, because this may not be for you. But if you don't mind giving some little time to work, then chat my admin using the WhatsApp link in the video description, and let's see how we could help you start making some money doing surveys and playing games online. This can actually be your second or third stream of income, really. So if you want to give it a try, then we'll be waiting for you. Please like this video, and if you love to see more online opportunities and digital marketing tips to help you grow and make money, then subscribe to this channel, turn on the alert notification so that YouTube can inform you when next I publish new videos. Please, I will also appreciate if you can share this video on your social media handles. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.